What's up everybody, Original Dobo. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want you all to stop worrying about leaks. Don't worry about what isn't out and what we don't have. Worry about what you have right now. And honestly, the best drone you have is the one that you already own, just like a camera. And if you don't own a drone, don't wait for something else to come out. Get one now so you can enjoy and you can create today. So today's video is all about shutting up and flying. So with that being said, roll the intro and enjoy this video.